of the great things about working with AECOM is we have the privilege of working with courageous clients who are delivering first of their kind solutions. It's a great example happening right here in California with the high-speed rail project. This project is not only designed to meet the needs of the corridor in which it serves, but stands to be a demonstration project where California can lead the country and say, we've got a better way. We've got a way to leverage technology to deliver a better solution. We have a way to drive economic competitiveness. We have a way to transform travel and to protect the environment. These are the kinds of projects that AECOM teams get excited about. It's working with government clients who are willing to take the helm of something brand new. This is where we can work with our local team and bring that expertise to the table while taking lessons learned from clients all over the world to be able to make these projects successful. The only thing that you can expect in delivering a complex multi-million-dollar transportation project is the unexpected. For those of us who've been down this road, we know that plans are just that. When you're in the delivery stage and things get real, it's critical that you have an experienced partner beside you that can be in that problem-solving mode, that can be flexible, and that can work in partnership with you to be able to overcome the inevitable challenges associated with these kinds of projects. At AECOM, we do a lot of partnering with government, and that's a very special relationship. We understand the high stakes when you have a government decision maker that's brave enough to tee up a large transformational transportation project. It's tough. We understand that it's not just this individual that we're working with, but we need to be conscious of and deliver to the expectations of all the constituents that government must serve. And I think that understanding really affects every element of our program management. And that might mean how we work with our partner on managing traffic to minimize impacts to local communities. It might be bringing new digital solutions to the table like PlanEngage that can create more meaningful engagement with a whole host of stakeholders to ensure the project is meeting those needs and continue to move forward. It may mean leveraging the latest technology so that you can deliver a better mobility outcome. For those of us who've spent our careers developing these big mega transportation projects, we know that regional solutions have local impacts. That's why one of the most critical aspects of project development and delivery is being out in the community with local neighbors, helping to bridge that gap between the regional solution that you're trying to deliver and the local impacts that they must endure during that short-term period of time. AECOM has found that the best way to be successful in delivering multi-billion-dollar programs is not to make community engagement about that public hearing in the beginning of a job, but to foster long-term genuine engagement with the communities that we serve as we work to deliver these transportation solutions. That means engaging them in critical parts of the project, like management of traffic, to make sure that we can keep the construction moving and keep those neighborhoods thriving at the same time. It means working closely on the design of the project to come up with solutions along the way that will have less impacts, both to the community and to the environment holistically. How exciting that we're in a time in transportation where there is so much work to do that none of us can do it alone. It reminds us the power of partnership. And that includes when we pull a consortium together to help a client to manage a major transportation project. Now, those kinds of consortium involve a lot of contracts, as you'd expect, and these are critically important. But we found at AECOM where we are most successful is when you can set that contract to the side on a day-to-day basis because you've chosen a partner who is aligned with your values. You have developed a project in a way that goals are very clear, and you have equipped that project with professionals that have significant experience in the complexity of these kinds of jobs. When you get that alignment, you've got that contract there for protection, that safety net, but you don't need it because everyone's coming to work every day working toward the same goal. Often large multi-billion-dollar transportation projects are once in a generation opportunities to put local small businesses to work to help transform the regions and communities in which they live and work. AECOM is very proud of our track record of bringing global expertise and experience and matching that with an ability to work effectively with local small businesses to bring the power of that local experience together with that global expertise to deliver the best outcome possible for the community. One of the most exciting things about working in transportation at AECOM right now is that we are seeing clients all over the world embark on FIRST, the first time delivery of lanes for autonomous vehicles, the first time delivery of new travel options, including personal air travel options, the first time delivery of high-speed trains. You know, there's nothing like being at the helm of a project that is a first. But those kinds of projects take resilience. They take technical acumen. They take a broad understanding of every aspect of project development in terms of community engagement, to technical solutions, to technology systems.